How to clear iPhone cache. Clearing the cache can help improve the performance of your device by freeing up space and removing unnecessary data. So let's get started. First, clear Safari cache. Go to Settings app. Select Safari. And then choose Clear History and Website Data. This will remove all the data stored by Safari, including cookies and cache. Many apps also store data on your device, including cache files. To clear app cache, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and select the app you want to clear cache for. From there, you can delete the app caches and the other data. Tap Offload Data. Another simple way to clear cache on your iPhone is to restart your device. This can help flush out any cache data that may be slowing down your device. There are also third-party apps available on App Store that can help you clear cache on your iPhone. These apps can help you identify and remove unnecessary data from your device. That's it. Those are the steps to clear cache on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.